Mindfulness in everyday life. Begin your day with a few moments of mindful breathing. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and take deep breaths, paying attention to the sensation of air filling your lungs. As you eat breakfast, focus on the flavors, textures, and smells of your food. This helps you savor the meal and stay present in the moment. During your commute, practice mindful listening. Tune in to the sounds around you, the hum of the engine, the rustle of leaves, or the chatter of people. Engage fully with your surroundings. At work, take short mindful breaks. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing for a few minutes. This helps reduce stress and enhance concentration. Incorporate mindfulness into daily chores. When washing dishes, feel the warmth of the water, the slipperiness of the soap, and the texture of the dishes. This turns a mundane task into a mindful activity. Practice mindful walking. Focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the rhythm of your steps, and the sights around you. Walking mindfully can be a refreshing break from the busyness of life. Before bed, spend a few minutes in a gratitude practice. Reflect on the day and acknowledge things you are grateful for. This encourages a positive mindset and fosters relaxation. Use calming visuals like serene landscapes, flowing water, and gentle breezes to accompany these techniques. Overlay the text with tips and instructions, ensuring they are easy to follow. Add soothing background music that harmonizes with the calm and peaceful atmosphere of the video. These mindfulness techniques can easily be incorporated into your daily routine, enhancing your well-being and helping you stay present in the moment. Start your day with mindfulness and carry it through every activity, discovering the peace and clarity it brings.